Diwali, the festival of lights, happiness, togetherness and joy is coming to its amazing closure. The week-long festival comes to an end with Bhai Dooj. Bhai Dooj celebrates the sacred and lovely bond between a brother and sister. Unlike Raksha Bandhan, the sister doesn't tie a rakhi on her brother's wrist but everything else remains same. The brother in return gifts his sister nice gifts and promises to always be there for her and love and respect her. So this Bhai Dooj you can treat your brother to some nice simple recipes of sweets and savouries that are easy to prepare and great to relish. First is Sooji ka halwa. Sooji or semolina pudding is a very easy and yummy dish. Take a pan, heat some butter. Put some semolina in it, add sugar and some milk, add just a little water to even it out and let it condense into thick paste. Keep the flame low and keep constantly stirring so that your Sooji does not set and burn. Take off the flame and garnish it with dry fruits of your choice. Second is Shahi Tukda. This Malai dessert is absolutely royal in taste and quite easy to make. Fry some bread pieces in ghee. Dissolve some sugar in water and wait till the sugar dissolves. Add a little saffron to the sugar water for the orange color. Dip the fried pieces of bread into the sugar water. Let it cool and apply some rabdi on it and garnish with dry fruits and serve. Third is Oreo Milkshake. Crush some Oreo biscuits, take ice creams of 2 different flavors, vanilla and chocolate and add some cool milk in it and blend, blend, blend. You can even add some crushed ice to the mix if serving immediately. If not adding the ice, let your shake refrigerate and serve it cool with Oreo biscuits garnished on top. Fourth is Sevaya ghee. Soak the sevaya into some ghee, add the sevaya into boiling milk and stir it continuously till it thickens into a creamy texture. Garnish with dry fruits and serve. Fifth is bread chocolate sheera. Fry bread crumbs in ghee and add milk, add some powdered chocolate and continue stirring. Add a little sugar too and let the milk condense. Crush some chocolate pieces on it or add chocolate shavings on top and serve hot. Sixth is corn bhel. This is delicious and tasty too. Take some boiled corn, put finely chopped tomatoes, onions and carrots. Add some puffed rice and popcorn pieces to add some crunch. Add some salt for according to taste along with chili powder and chaat masala for the tangy flavor. You can even add finely chopped green chilies and coriander to garnish. Seventh is bread pakoda. Take some bread, apply ketchup on one side and green chutney on another. Soak this in a batter of gram flour and water mixed with spices like salt, chili powder and fry it. Serve with some aloo bhujia by the side. Eighth is sev puri. Take some fried purees, put some mashed potato on it and some farsan, chutney and garnished with tomatoes, onions and sev. You can topple pomegranate seeds on it to give it some crunch. Ninth is crispy bhindi. Cut the bhindi into long vertical pieces. Make sure the seeds are off the plate. Fry the bhindi. Then soak the excessive oil on tissue and put some chaat masala and little salt to taste. Serve it nice. 10th is mini pizza. Make a mini pizza and put all his favorite ingredients in it like cheese, macaroni, corn, vegetables, etc. Add everything that reminds you of your childhood. You can also garnish it with some yummy farsan and chips. It will turn out superb.